We all know the problem of finding the perfect gift for certain relatives. Looking at you, Grandad. Well, with 3D printing, we're only limited by our imagination. And if you're unimaginative, well, that's why we've compiled a list of cool gift ideas to 3D print. All of the models we are showcasing today are designed to be printed using FDM-based printers. However, some of these models can be printed with resin without issue. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below or visit our web store 3dfiliprint.com, which is also where you can find all of the filament used in this video. To start, why not print a character or item from a game or movie that the person has an interest in, such as this easy to print low poly Pikachu. We printed it in ESUN Silk Yellow PLA. It takes just under 2 hours on the Artillery Genius at default print settings and only uses 7 meters of filament. Easily printable with one of our 10-meter samples. Choosing to go with an item from a franchise can be an easier option, especially if it is a more popular franchise like Pokemon, Star Wars or Marvel. For example, Yegi, a 3D printing models search engine, has almost 2,000 different Pokemon files for 3D printing, with the majority being free to download. For our next gift, why not try a practical accessory for an item they already own? Here, we have an improved Joy-Con controller grip by TA Aaron 17 on Thingiverse. We printed it in our two-tone blue-green filament. It's a comfortable design that can be printed with minimal supports. Accessories for game consoles, tools, or even something as simple as a cup holder for a car can really improve the day-to-day use of an object, which the recipient will no doubt appreciate. When printing these practical gifts, keep in mind that the strength of the material will matter more, especially with something that is going to be of practical use. For example, our Joy-Con grip was printed with a 50% infill rather than the typical 20 to make it a bit stronger so it can withstand those gamer rage moments. A personalised item can be really impactful, whether it's a design that has personal significance or just a style that they enjoy. We printed this scribbled graffiti phone case, getting the idea from Gyrobot and Thingiverse while updating it for a more modern phone. We printed the phone case in eTPU colour change from ESUN, which changes colour based on the temperature. So the longer you hold it in your hand, the more it changes. Adding your own design to a model is typically a quick and easy process. Using Tinkercad, you can import your image as an SVG, resize and position the design inside the model, and intersect using the hole option. This method can be applied to practically any model and only takes a few minutes. From our own collection of models is this heart-shaped container. It can work great as either a jewellery box or a simple decoration. We've printed ours in Azure Film Glitter Red PLA, which we find really makes this model pop. We host a variety of different models on our website and often have them for free during events, so make sure to check back regularly. Having the ability to make your own models, even using free software like Tinkercad, can greatly expand what you can do with your printer. Starting with custom gifts, even something as simple as a name plaque can be entry into the world of custom models. All of the models we have shown today are available in the description. If you have any questions about printing the models we've shown, please feel free to contact us. All of the materials we've shown today are also on our website. And don't forget to share your gift ideas in the comments.